Hey, good afternoon, good evening, guys. Okay, in today's video, we are going to be talking about a platform that have been paying me tron TRX coin for the past, let me say, for the past 5 to 8 days now. This platform have been paying me consecutively. They have been paying me like every day, every morning. I just go down and withdraw my TRX direct to my trust wallet. Every day, I will just go down and withdraw my TRX direct to my trust wallet. You understand, guys? Okay, on today's video, I'm going to be talking about that platform that has been paying me for the past 8 days. I have been withdrawing, and their withdrawal used to appear within 1 minute. You have received your money. Okay, guys, let's dive into the video. Okay, all you have to do now first of all is to locate this website called, you can see this is the website. This website is called tron.srl. It's called tron.srl. Let me just reload it so you see this platform is called tron.srl. As you can see, once you register on this platform, you'll be given what, 9,000 TRS. You'll be given 9,000 TRS. You can see this is where you see it. This is where you see it. You'll be given 9,000 TRS. Once you are given this 9,000 TRS, note this 9,000 TRS, you cannot do what, you cannot withdraw it. You understand? You cannot withdraw the 9,000 TRS. You understand? All you have to do now is to locate where they say what, deposit. Immediately you register, all you have to do is to locate where they say what, deposit. You can see this is what, where they call what, locate this place called deposit. You understand? Immediately you click on this place called deposit. Immediately you click on this place called deposit, you locate this place called what, transfer to basic account. You locate here, you click there. Immediately you click there, guys, let me say you click there. Immediately you click there, guys, I will not be investing in this video. I've already invested. You invest what, you can invest what, TRS, because this is mainly a tron website. You understand? So let me say you are what, you are depositing tron, because mainly me are deposited with what, with tron. If you want to deposit tron, you can deposit tron. If you have dogecoin, you can also what, deposit in dogecoin. If you have what, BNB, you can also deposit in BNB. You understand? So you can see their rates there. If you have ETH, you can also deposit on ETH. If you have USDT, you can also use USDT for deposit. You can see their rates there. So mainly we are focusing on what, depositing through what, TRS, which is tron. Depositing through what, tron. Let me see, this is tron. Yeah, you click on that place that says what, choose. You choose it. You understand? When you choose it, you see a wallet address will appear here. This is the wallet address. You click on this wallet address, you click on this copy here. You understand? You click on this copy that is here. Once you click on this copy, now you locate your what, you have to go and locate your trust. If you are using trust wallet for deposit, you locate your trust wallet and transfer, and this thing, what they call, you transfer let me say tron to this website. You understand? You transfer tron to this website directly. The minimum you can transfer is what, 5 TRS. That is the minimum. 5 TRS is what, the minimum you can do, what you can be able to deposit on this site. Let me say, after we are done depositing, you click on this place called what, you click on this place called submit successfully. You click on this place called submit successfully. Immediately you click on this submit successfully to load up, and they say the submission is completed. Please wait for the balance to be what, change. You understand? So you wait, you click on this completed and wait. Let me say it to reload. Now you receive your what, balance here. You can see me, I deposited 100 TRS. Okay, let's go back to how you can be able to what, to make back your money in this site. It's just like you're investing your money. Let me see now. You click on, after you are done what, depositing, you click on this place called what, invest. This place down here called what, invest. That place down, you can click on that place called what, this place here called what, invest. You understand? You click on this place called invest. Let me see, you click on this invest. Now I deposited 100 TRS. Let me say I click on this invest. You can see my deposit here is what, 100 TRS. I deposited 100 TRS. I'm in VIP1. You can see the VIP. I'm on VIP1 here. You can see on this VIP1, I'm in VIP1. You can see on VIP1, the minimum deposit from VIP1 is from what, 5 TRS to what, 1,000 TRS. You can see there, and the daily income there is 9% to 10%. Imagine you making 9 to 10% of your money every day. Imagine you deposited 100 TRS, you're making 9 TRS every day. Let me just say, in 10 days or in 11 days, you have make back your what, your capital, and others will not be what, your profit. And this site just launched about 1 week or 2 weeks ago, and I've made enough. Like I've at least I've made half of my money back. You understand? So guys, just look at this. You're making what, 9% of your money every day. Daily withdrawal is what, 9 to 10% of your money every day from this site. You're making 9% of your money from this site every day. Once you make your deposit, it will automatically what, invest for you. It does make your deposit to what, automatically what invest for you. Okay, let me say you have invested now, and let me say invested today now. By tomorrow morning, exactly the time you invested, you click on this place now. You don't need to come back here, you just click here. You click on this place that say income, this place that say income, this place here that says what, income, this place here, that says what, income, this place that says income. You click on that income there. Once you click on that income, it will load up and you see what current yield is 9 to 10%. I mean VIP1. You can see now on this particular place I deposited what 100 TRS. You can see I started first with 50 TRS. I was making about 4.5%, 4.5 TRS every day. You can see. So I decided to just top up another 50 and make it 100. So I'll be earning more. You understand, guys? So I was not earning one. I'm not earning what 9 TRS every day. Look at this now. Let me say you invested today and you came back to this side tomorrow now. You want to come and clean your what TRS that have been what mined for you. What you have to do, you click on this place that is what this what they call this blue that is a bit thick. This one, if you see this one that is light, it means that I've already what received this one because they are light. You click on this one that is what that is thick. When you click on this one that is thick, you find out that what it will become what it will now become light. I've received my what 9 TRS that have been mined. I will now go back to my home page. You can see this is the home page. I will now go back to what my home page. Then I go back to my home page. You find out you find out that what 9 TRS have been added to my balance. 9 TRS have been what added to my balance. You can see 9 TRS have been added to my balance. 9 TRS have been added to my balance. I'll go ahead now and withdraw this 9 TRS and see if it will come to my wallet. Okay, let me first of all minimize and go back to my wallet and show you. Let me first of all minimize and go back to my and open my Trust wallet. I'll be using one of my wallets. Let me just look for my Trust wallet. Okay, I'll be using one of my wallets. I believe that wallet will be empty. It might have some coins, but I'm not sure it will have enough coins. Okay, we'll be using this wallet for today. You can see we have only Tron here. You can see we have 0.40 only Tron. We have only 5 TRS here. We have only what 5 TRS. I'll be using this wallet for today. Okay, this wallet is empty. All I'll be doing now is what I'll be withdrawing from this particular to this particular wallet today. Okay, let me minimize and go back. Okay, all I have to do now for me to be able to withdraw from this, I'll have to click on this place called withdrawal. You understand? Immediately I click on this place called withdrawal now. Immediately I click on this place called withdrawal. You will see that if you're a newcomer, if you are new to this site, like you have not withdrawn before. First of all, if immediately I've seen your 9 TRS, you see your 9 TRS is up here. You see it is 9 that is there. Your total amount that you can withdraw is 9. I'll put on this place called amount. This place here they say enter amount. This place that says what enter amount. I'll click on I'll click on it and input 9. Let me say I'll input 9. When I input 9 there, I'll click on this place that says choose withdrawal amount. This place here that says choose withdrawal amount. I have to click on it now. Immediately I click on it to show digital currency wallet. I will now click on that digital currency wallet and it will load up. My wallet address will load up. I think my wallet address will load up. You understand? My wallet address will now load up. You understand, guys? It will load up. Immediately my wallet address now load up now. Most of if you are new, your wallet address will not load up. You have to input your wallet address there and do and click on continue. You understand? So now they say I should input my password. They say I should input my password. You can see I should input my password. I will just click there and I'll input my password. Let me just pause this video and input my. Okay, guys, I just pause the video and to input my password. You understand? We have to try and be and prevent ourselves from hackers and scammers. You understand, guys? So you can see it is still pending here, and if you look up in my Trust, you can see that I just received 9 TRS. You can see I just received 9 TRS there. You can see it is still pending. It's still pending. Let me just try and reload. Let me reload it. You can see it's pending, but I've received my TRS in my wallet. You can see it is pending. You can see now it is still pending. You can see, guys, if I reload it, it is still writing pending. But if I minimize back to my Trust wallet now, you find that I've received I've received 9 TRS. Let me just try and reload. You can see, guys. You can see. Look at it. You can see, guys. I've received 9 TRS. I've received 9 TRS, guys. You can see this is it. I've received 9 TRS from this site. I just got free 9 TRS. You can see, guys, if you scroll down, you can see that I've been withdrawing from this site for the past how many days. You can see I withdraw 9 TRXs today. The other day I withdraw 9. You can see I've been withdrawing 9 TRX from this side for the past how many days? I've been what? Withdrawing 9 TRX. I've been withdrawing also 4 point something. You can see I'm withdrawing also 4.5, 4.5. You can see I've been withdrawing from this side for the past what? For the past days. You can see now I just withdraw what? 9 TRX from this side. Let me minimize and go back to the site now. Let me not minimize and reload it whether it will rise. So you can see it is now what? Successful. I've withdrawn a total of, let me see, 9. You can see 9 to 1 2 3 4 and 4.5 to what? 1 2. That I've withdrawn from this side for 1 2 3 4 5 6. For the past 6 days I've withdrawn what? From this side, and it is paying. Guys, just take advantage of this opportunity. Now it is what? It is very new. Take advantage of it. Okay, let's go back to what we have for this video today. Okay, since you have placed our withdrawal now, we have taught you how to deposit on the site and how to withdraw on the site. The next thing you have to know in this site now is what we call what? How to invite your friends. In case you want to invite your friends, you click on this place, it says share now. You see, when you immediately click on that share there, you can see, you see your what? You see what your what? Invitation link. You see your invitation link. You can copy your invitation link and send it to your friend, or you can copy your what? Your referral link and send it to your what? Friends, so that what? They'll be able to what? Register on this site. Either you click, you send them your registration link, your registration link, or your what? Your invitation code, so that they'll be able to what? Register on this site. So immediately they register, you'll be getting what? A certain percent of what they are what they have invested. You guess what? A certain percent of what they have what invested, guys. Okay, guys, that will be the end of this video for today. Thanks and God bless